Hey everybody, I am Aaron Norris, and this is the Norris Group's Real Estate Headline Roundup. It is August 20th. Happy Friday. Thanks everybody who showed up last Sunday for our Advanced Skills and Strategy Seminar. And if you happen to be reading the LA Times today, I guess we are on A1 section, so check out that. Bruce Norris is in there talking about trustee sales and investing. Let's get to the headlines. First up, p.a.c.e loan programs. Funds are drying up and many projects are left in limbo after regulators and lenders raise alarms over terms of the Property Assessed Clean Energy Program, also known as p.a.c.e. Homeowners get low interest rate government loans to do energy efficient installs in their primary residence, and the mortgage terms may be violated as the p.a.c.e loans take first position. So a lot of alarm, lenders not liking these programs, and a lot of cities and counties were going to be implementing even newer programs. So all of those are put on hold for now until we can figure stuff out. Redfin reported a very interesting survey this week. In 7 major housing markets that they studied, half of all attempts to sell in 2009 resulted in a sale. The survey looked at 500,000 homes, and 47% of those listed had sold by a week. Just 4% of those listings were still active, and LA and San Francisco were the only 2 California cities in there. Check that out online at the link below. And by the link below, I mean if you're watching this on our blog, we always post the links to the stories we use in this segment right below. So check out the blog if you'd like to read more information in the articles that are in the video. Up next, origination and lender fees are rising. According to bankrate.com, origination and third-party fees on $200,000 mortgages increased 36.6% in 2010, and lender origination fees increased 22.8%. A lot of companies are blaming this on the good faith estimate and more labor associated with complying with new underwriting standards. So if you've had the joy of going through a GFE recently, you obviously know what we're talking about. According to TransUnion, mortgage delinquency decreases. Loans 60-plus days late are on the decline by 6.67%. This is the second quarter of declines. Current delinquency rate is still up 14.8% from the same quarter last year, and it remains at a constant 6.77% range. And the Vice President of TransUnion, F.J. Guerrera, says, although this is good news for the consumer, the economy is still burdened by high unemployment, upcoming ARM resets, and a glut of foreclosures. And regarding those ARM resets, California has only a few of those. DQ News releases their report this week saying that Southern California sales and prices have fallen. Southern California saw largest price year-over-year declines in more than 2 years. 19,000 new and resale homes were sold in Southern California in July. That's down 20.6% from June. And no surprise, as federal and now California first-time home buyer credits being no longer available. If you weren't aware of the California credit ending, it did so on Monday, August 15th. However, there is still money available for new homes, so definitely check that out. $100 million was set aside for that program as well. So some people don't know there's 2. So there's still some, but the first time is now over. And a little bit of political news to round out this week's video. Republican districts have lower foreclosures. Wow. Deutsche Bank analyzed mortgage delinquencies by congressional district to see whether Democrats or Republicans would be helped or hurt by foreclosure rates in their locale. On average, districts represented by Democrats have an average serious delinquency rate of 9.9%, while the Republicans, which represent 77 fewer districts, by the way, have an average rate of 8.7%. That's it for the news. You can always check out more of those news stories on our blog. Upcoming events will be at the Inland Empire Investors Forum at the end of this month. Bruce is doing Emerging Trends. And of course, our fundraiser, I Survived Real Estate 2010, is well underway. So that's going to be September 17th. We will be streaming online live, hopefully. We're still working on the details on that one. We're up to $45,000 raised so far this year, and we just crossed the $150,000 mark raised in over our 3-year history with this event. Thank you all of our sponsors and people who are participating in the event. As of now, we are the #1 fundraiser in the groups category. Bruce is in the radio station, actually just got back doing interviews. I'm not sure who it's going to be today. It's either Joseph Magziarez or Christopher Thornburg. Always a character and fascinating to listen to, both of which are going to be on the I Survived Real Estate panel. You can check that out online this afternoon or this weekend. And of course, if you need some hard money, check us out at thenorrisgroup.com, or if you're interested in investing in our trust deeds, check out tngtrustdeeds.com. Have a fantastic weekend, and we'll see you next Friday.